So you frosted and decorated your cake, but you realize you want it to be on your cake stand without your cake board underneath. Watch today's video to see how you can easily transfer your cakes from your cake board to your cake stand. For stress-free cake tutorials and advice, be sure to click subscribe and hit that bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. Also, if you want to see some behind-the-scenes tips I don't share anywhere else, be sure to follow me on Instagram at justbecause. So the one tool you need to transfer your cakes is this Wilton cake lifter. It's 8 inches wide, so it's perfect for cakes that are 8 inches or smaller. All you have to do is work with a cold cake, since it's easier to handle, and slide the cake lifter underneath the entire base of the cake, then carefully transfer it to your cake stand. Since it's cold, you can use your hands to adjust it without ruining it. You can also fix the base of the cake more easily, or even add some decor to the bottom to cover any imperfections. What I like to do is take my angled spatula and smooth out the bottom and apply any additional buttercream if needed. It also helps if your cake was built on a cardboard round the same size as your cake. For instance, if you had a 6-inch cake and put a 6-inch cardboard round underneath, it would be easier to lift the entire cake up. Just attach the cardboard round to a cake board that is at least 2 inches wider with some tape. You can also avoid having to transfer your cake by just building and decorating your cake directly on your cake stand. But this can be a little tricky depending on your cake stand size and having to deal with putting your cake stand on top of your turntable and all of that. So there you have it, an easy way to transfer your cakes from your board to your cake stand. Let me know in the comments below if you try this out. If you like this video, click like, hit subscribe, and be sure to grab my foolproof Swiss meringue buttercream guide listed below.